This is the human brain, the machine that built civilizations, created art, discovered the stars, and still holds mysteries we are only beginning to understand. Today, we unlock the secrets of the brain.
There is a world hidden in plain sight. Stories you thought you knew, but never truly unlocked.
Here we dive into everything, from the internet that shapes our lives, to the hidden kingdoms lost in time, to the future powered by AI, space, and beyond. History, technology, secrets, mysteries, the past, present, and future, all connected, all waiting to be unlocked. This isn't just a channel, it's your key to the unknown.
Welcome to the Unlocked.
Inside your head lies a universe more complex than the deepest oceans or the farthest stars. A place where thoughts spark, memories form, and imagination ignites. This is the human brain, the machine that built civilizations, created art, discovered the stars, and still holds mysteries we are only beginning to understand. Did you know your brain is about 2% of your body weight, but uses 20% of your energy? Humans have been curious about the brain for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians thought the heart was the center of thought and discarded the brain during mummification. Hippocrates around 400 BCE suggested the brain controlled thoughts and emotions. Centuries later, René Descartes called it the seat of the soul. In the 19th century, scientists like Paul Broca and Carl Wernicke mapped regions responsible for speech and language, our first real understanding of brain function. Did you also know that the first scientific brain dissections were so controversial that some researchers risked imprisonment? The human brain contains around 86 billion neurons, each connecting to thousands of others, forming trillions of synapses. Electrical and chemical signals allow you to think, feel, and act. Your senses feed into this network, letting you experience the world in real time. Did you know that neurons can transmit signals up to 430 kilometers per hour, which is also converted to 2070 miles per hour? Memory isn't one thing. Short-term, long-term, and procedural memories all work together. The intelligence is more than IQ, emotional intelligence, creativity, and problem-solving show the brain's versatility. Did you know that every time you recall a memory, your brain slightly rewires it? Memories are reconstructed, not replayed. Let's ask ourselves this: why do we forget names? The answer to this is the hippocampus sometimes fails to link names with faces due to lack of repeated attention. Emotions guide survival and decisions. The amygdala processes fear. The prefrontal cortex regulates impulses. Even rational decisions are influenced by feelings more than we realize. Did you also know that studies show people often decide in 2 seconds before they are consciously aware? Another question for us today is, why do we panic in emergencies? The answer to this is the amygdala triggers a fight or flight response, sometimes before reasoning kicks in. Role of amygdala, prefrontal cortex, influence of emotions. Creativity arises when different brain regions collaborate. It fuels art, music, architecture, and innovation, making humans unique among all species. Did you know that creative thinking increases communication between the brain's hemispheres? Despite centuries of study, the brain holds mysteries. Consciousness, dreams, and perception still puzzle scientists. Disorders like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and epilepsy remind us how fragile yet powerful it is. Did you know that the hyperthymesia, also called highly superior autobiographical memory, allows some people to remember nearly every day of their lives in detail? Neural implants and brain-computer interfaces may soon let thought control machines, from restoring mobility to enhancing cognition. The future blurs the line between biology and technology. Did you know memory implants have helped paralyzed patients regain movement in trials? We have three things here with us. The first one is myth, second one is fact, and the third one, also the last, is fun. In myth, we have that we only use 10% of our brain false. The fact is your brain is more active during sleep than many daytime tasks. Interesting. The fun is where human brains produce enough electricity daily to power a small city. Did you know even the world's fastest supercomputer can't match the general processing power of the human brain? Neural enhancement, AI integration, and digital consciousness could redefine humanity. As we unlock the brain, we unlock potential for learning, creativity, and perhaps even shared experiences beyond imagination. Did you know that researchers are exploring ways to upload or preserve memories digitally? Once pure science fiction.
The brain is a universe inside us. Every thought, every memory, every dream is a proof of its power.
This is one story in the world of the unlocked. Subscribe and join us as we explore the extraordinary, uncover hidden truths, and discover what makes our world truly remarkable.